many tables you know?
I know up to 20, sir.
20. 11 lemons are?
121.
13 fours are?
152.
13 fours are?
4.
Be cool, no problem. Don't be hurry.
Yes, sir.
Hurry beda. Nidanam.
52.
52. 12 12s are?
144.
15 6s are?
90.
Last question. Which topics you like the most in science? Any two topic names?
Physics and chemistry.
Okay, topic names means lesson names.
Means heat, sir.
You don't like biology? Not that much. And tell me, okay, physics, what are the lessons?
In physics, I like heat, sir.
Very good.
And in chemistry, I like
Heat is denoted by the letter?
heat. Joule.
Okay, units okay, denoted by the letter.
J.
Joules okay. Heat units joules. Okay, you told that is J. Heat is represented by the letter Q.
Heat, sir.
Q is equal to delta MST formula.
Delta MS.
MST.
T.
T means time. Heat and one more.
And physical and chemical changes in chemistry.
Okay, physical and chemical changes in chemistry. I will ask one question. Okay. Stretching of rubber band.
Yes, sir.
What type of change is it? Either physical or chemical?
Physical, sir.
Why?
Because, sir, if we stretch a rubber band, it can be converted into its normal position.
Normal.
Means it's irreversible.
Irreversible.
Reversible, sir.
All
both
reversible changes are physical
physical
change.
change.
Okay. Aging of a man. Aging of a man means you know
Yes, sir.
small, big, small to big.
Yes, sir.
Aging of a man. What type of change is it? Physical or chemical?
Chemical, sir.
Why?
Because they can be become younger, sir.
Yes, because it is a irreversible change.
Yes.
It can't reverse. 60 years old man cannot able to come to 6 months old baby, a younger baby, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Go and sit.